yum. Look at all of that peanut butter. Oof, that looks so good. So I'm gonna get started with about 2 cups of peanut butter right on the bottom of my skillet. I'll follow it up with some semi-sweet chocolate chip morsels, just putting a nice layer of those chocolate chips right on top of that delicious peanut butter. Oh, that looks so good already. Then we have some nice, fresh and juicy Jet Puff marshmallows. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, you guys. In a nice, unhurried, therapeutic way, you are going to cover the entire top of the chocolate and peanut butter with all of these delicious marshmallows. Oof, that's what I'm talking about. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh, all of our marshmallows are locked and loaded. We're gonna make sure they're pushed down nice and good in there. So we have a layer of peanut butter, a layer of chocolate, and another layer of delicious marshmallow. Now all we have to do is take our skillet and stick it in the oven at 350. I think it's only gonna take about 10 minutes, so keep an eye on it because we want these marshmallows gold, brown, and delicious. Yes. I'm just like in awe already right now. Those marshmallows turned out so good. I swear, if you don't have a cast iron skillet, it is definitely a good investment. Now, I'm gonna keep it casual with some graham crackers here, and my plan is to just dig right in. I let it sit for a minute, but I'm not really sure how hot it's gonna be. But check it out how these, see how the marshmallows, they fluff up and then they make this like golden brown crust, and you have this creamy dessert dip that's packed with chocolate and peanut butter. Look at that. Holy cow. You know I'm about to make a mess out of myself right here.
Get it.
Wait, let me see. Okay, I think it's pretty good. You know, it reminds me of camping. Like, I love that. Sometimes you don't even have to go camping. Just create something that takes you back to that space so you can relive it again, right? You should do that with all the good things. Okay, here I go. No. I mean, I'm not surprised that this is really good. I love the combination. I love how easy it is, that you only need a couple of things. I like that it's fun. I also like the idea that, you know, you go to a party or you have a get together and a lot of times everybody has around a lot of savory dips. I love that this is more of a dessert style dip, and I think it is wonderful to share. You can switch this up in any way that you would like. You know I want to hear all about it. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and we'll see you later.